बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश रहली सदरी वयस्सिरली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. Very warm welcome to all of my lovers, followers, subscribers, friends, everybody who has been spending time with me. Definitely out of your precious one, I am really grateful to all. So guys, once again in front of you with a popular series of topics. So today's topic is also very burning. Just in my last live transmission, I used to discuss about the budget 2021-22 fiscal year. It's been presented, the budget is being presented. If you people remember, so I was talking on that of my live transmission that most of the times this happens, that even this is fortunate or unfortunate that we have been converted into three different classes: the elite one, the middle one, the lowest one. Lower one definitely further could be divided, but these are the major three classes. So I was discussing on that day, even the elite are definitely the lower class. So they people are not going to be affected whatever is happening in the country. I don't know, it's also fortunate or unfortunate, but it's a fact that they people are not going to be affected. Who is going to be affected is the only one, middle class. I told you on that day, I gave you the budget of a person who is even earning 30 to 40,000 for a month. Apparently, when we are perceiving if a person is earning 30 to 40,000, so we must be considering, okay, it's a hell of amount. It's not a smaller amount. Definitely, one can spend one's life. We can just consider this. But on the other hand, the realities are very, very worst. I definitely classified all the things. Like, how can you make a budget in 30 to 40,000 when you are having your kids, you are having your own expenses, you are having your family expenses, definitely your education expenses of your children, health expenditures of your family, yourself, and definitely the expenditures which are required even for your own conveyancing. Like if you people are going towards your office, from office to even home, whatever the source you are using. So if you are just going to convert that in your budget, if you are going to adjust in your budget, so you are going to observe that nothing will be left behind. And even if you are just paying the fee of your one or two kids, if you just want that they should be or they could be given a standard education, so definitely nothing would be left. So then what do you think, that don't you have the right that your children should be given education, some standard education should be given to your children, some standard health facility should be given to your family, to yourself and everyone, your belongings? So don't you have this right? So this is my only the question. So in present budget which has been presented, so where that middle class lies? Okay, you have given the margin to the government employees, okay, 10% it's been increased. For example, if a person, because now what I've been observing that majority of the government employees, they people are getting round from 40 to 50,000. So the 5,000 increase is been made. If you are getting 50,000 salary, so 5,000 has been increased. If you are getting 1 lakh salary, so obviously, so 10,000 has been added, you are going to receive 1 lakh and 10,000. So to an extent, it's okay. Whatever the amount, so that has been increased. Okay, this is a plus point. But point is, a person who is, doing private job, even with many more multinational companies, they people are not caring for. And I suggested on that of my transmission, if you people remember, that government should fulfill this class's gaps. Mean, okay, you cannot do directly, mean, if any person is doing any private job or in any multinational, you people cannot involve yourself over there, you cannot add their amounts. So one of the facilities should be given to them. For example, if we are observing, okay, the health, standard health is required, standard education is required, your convincing, expenditures are required, your elderly ones, they people are required for their health and all other things, even for their nutritions. Because here, just I want to quote Mr. Prime Minister, the current Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Imran Khan. He used to say, while he was not in the government, he used to say that the people who are not getting proper nutrition, mean people who are not getting proper diet, so they people are going to lose anything, any health issue can be they can have any health issue, their brought up might be affected, so any effect could have to be there. So these are the words of the current Prime Minister. So now, Mr. Prime Minister, where you are, that's still, and I tell you, the middle class in our country, they people are more in numbers, even than the lower class or even the elite ones. As comparative, mean the middle class is more in number. So they people are in a fix, they people are in a problem, and no government is doing anything for it. And they people are living actually white collar, they could be called. Okay, they cannot hide anything and they cannot expose anything, and even cannot hide. Obviously, when you cannot expose, then you cannot hide, so you have to be exposed. Whatever you people are hiding, your smaller things, your smaller requirements, you are killing. You are killing the smaller requirements of your children. So then who is responsible for this? So definitely this comes the liability of the present regime, present government, that they people must do something for this class. And I suggested that even one of the facility should be given to this class so that their gap could be fulfilled. And second point, that minimum earning for individuals, you people have decided 20,000. So have you ever checked out that what the people they are getting amounts? In private sector, they people are doing in 5,000, 8,000, 10,000 rupees, maximum for 15,000. Who is going for this 20,000? And on other hand, those businessmen are to an extent they are correct, because they people are saying we cannot afford. We cannot afford this much amount to be given to their employees. So, and then both of them are in compulsion. Employee, that also that one needs job, so that one has to that compro. Okay, and obviously the owner is also in compulsion, cannot afford. If the businesses are going on well, so definitely if a person is giving 15,000, so can give 20,000. But definitely in our country there is no business, there is no planning for business. Because, and definitely I would, inshallah, next time make my video on this program. You people are not having even any planning for business in our country. Which is definitely possible. With the planning, how much is your demand and how much is your supply. Just this is the matter, and you people are not, any person is willing to have, willing to open any sort of business, so can have. So what is this? This is obviously this is rubbish, and many people, I know personally many people, they started their business on highest level, invested a lot, ultimately they faced loss. Why? Because there is no planning from government side, that if you are going to start, any commodity selling, if you are going to start, so before that you have to go for the proper planning. What is the requirement? What is the need? What is the need of that area where you are going to have your spot? Who is going to, who is going to assist you? Who is going to advise you? Just you people are saying, okay, whatever you want to do, you can do yourself. So what liability lies on the government? I consider this is purely liability of the government. This is most pivotal item for the government. Whenever any person, individual is going to start business. So Government should assist that which type of business you should start and which type of business should be permitted to be started. It's not just a thing, mean any person is willing to start any sort of business can start. No, it's that's why majority of the people definitely I will do the survey at any time and I'll be sharing with you that many people they are going to face many more problems, like they have lot more earnings of their life. Many people they have just been retired from their from their jobs, and they got earning of their life, and they just spend invest, and after sometimes what happens, that they people are going to face loss. Then who is responsible at that time? That the same person who is in the credit must be going into debt. So who is responsible for that debt? I consider definitely government is responsible. Government should assist, government should advise that whatever the business and wherever you are going to start and what sort of business you are going to start, that must be consulted by some professionals, that whether you should start this business or not, or what amount of investment you need and what not to be invested. All these things should be happening with a proper planning, but unfortunately it's not happening. So who is responsible for this? So the middle class, one problem that I request again to the government, still the budget session is going on. It's ultimately going to be definitely approved from the Parliament House, but I just want just add one facility, a person who is having salary of 30 to 40,000. Okay, so please fill their one gap, even for some health facility standard, or even some education facility to that one person, but standard, or some support for their elderlies, that should be given to them. So I then consider that much more problems are going to be solved, and it is going to be a biggest remedy. So I really request to present regime, please focus on this thing. This is not my point, this is not anybody's, this is for a big number of people. People's demand, choice, they require. So please focus on this, and I request to, especially to Prime Minister, who is having very, very soft corner for every individual. So please focus on this point. Just it should not be happening just in a routine. The budget is coming, it's being discussed, and ultimately it's going to be approved. It should not be like this. So thanks a lot. See you in my next video. Thank you very much once again. Really, you've been with me. Long live Pakistan.